2003 F-150. Anytime going over bumps or getting on a rough surface, there's a popping noise coming from the front driver's side. First thing I notice on this one is this sway bar link. If we look up top, see how the bushing is gone. That's likely what's making that noise. If we look at the other side for comparison, see this side has got a bushing top and bottom. That sway bar connects each side, and when you get off camber, it puts strain and kind of shifts that sway bar, which is causing that link to pop inside the sway bar itself. Pretty easy fix. It's basically just a long bolt that goes in from the top with a nut on the bottom. Nut comes off, whole thing will slide out the top.